Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Paysafecard on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use a Paysafecard on an iPhone, you'll typically need to add it to your Apple Wallet and then use it to make purchases through Apple Pay. Alternatively, you can also use the Paysafe card directly online by entering the PIN or logging in into your Paysafe card e-wallet. So you need to simply choose Paysafe card as a payment method when you are making an online purchase. You'll either need to enter your 16-digit Paysafe PIN or log in into your Paysafe e-wallet and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. So by doing this, you can simply scan barcode or enter the PIN itself and you can simply make payments instantly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.